Before the next programme begins here on RTE National, we have a special news report regarding the ongoing situation with the streets. This report applies to those living in the following counties: Cavan, Leitrim, Sligo, Donegal and Galway. If you are living in Northern Ireland, Fermanagh, Derry and Tyrone are also affected. If you live in these counties right now, stay at home immediately. It is too unsafe to leave your home at this time. Since the previous report was made, the streets of Mayo have all but been wiped out and were forced to disband within the last 24 hours. However, the streets of Tyrone have also begun to spring up and are affecting Northern Ireland and the United Kingdom and Ireland as a whole, as we speak. Currently, plans to break free from Ireland and create an anarchist state run by the streets are being majorly talked about. This is being considered a major threat to the Republic of Ireland. We are also receiving reports that the Streets of Leitrim member AW, who has now been identified as the Grand Leader of the Streets of Ireland, has been reported several times, but so far has failed to have been caught by An Garda Síochána. If you know of AW's recent whereabouts, do not hesitate to contact the Gardaí at 999. This applies as well to any other members of the Streets of Ireland, as they're being considered a major threat to our nation. We here at Radio Telefí Sharon would like to thank you for your utmost attention during this, as it is greatly appreciated.